Chopping onions is the absolute worst part of cooking. I was done with the tears and the time wasted, so I bought the 5 most popular vegetable choppers on the market, from the viral TikTok favorites to the electric powerhouses, to see which one actually saves you time and which is just a nightmare to clean. Here is the best vegetable chopper for your kitchen. Product number 1: Stainless Steel Vegetable Chopper. When I pulled this stainless steel chopper out of the box, it felt completely different from the usual plastic gadgets. It's got some real weight to it. The lever design is what stood out to me during testing. Instead of slamming my hand down, I just pushed the handle and the leverage did the work. I diced a whole bag of potatoes for fries without my arm getting tired, which is rare. The safety guard fully wraps around the food, so I never felt like I was going to slice a finger. It comes with 8 blades, so it's versatile, but the best part is that it doesn't feel like it's going to crack under pressure. If you are sick of plastic bins breaking after a few months, this metal construction is the heavy-duty upgrade you need. However, if you want something that does the work for you. Product number 2: Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus. You should switch to the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus. This is electric, so no manual labor involved. Holding it, it's compact and cute, perfect for sitting on the counter. I tested the chop and grind buttons, and the coolest thing is that the blade actually reverses direction depending on which button you push. I used it to mince garlic and herbs, and it turned them into a fine paste in seconds. It's not huge, only 24 ounces, so you aren't going to prep a giant salad in one go, but for making pesto or hummus, it's a beast. Cleanup was easy since the bowl is dishwasher safe. If you have weak hands or just hate manual pressing, this little machine is the perfect sous chef for small, detailed jobs, but if you need to prep a massive meal for a family. Product number 3: Mueller Pro Series All-in-One. You need the Mueller Pro Series. This isn't just a chopper, it's a whole system. When I unpacked it, I was overwhelmed by the 12 different blades, but once I started using them, I got it. I used the mandolin slicer for cucumbers and then swapped the blade to spiralize zucchini noodles. Everything falls right into the container below, which kept my counter spotless. The build quality is decent, using 420 grade stainless steel for the blades. My favorite part was the scrubbing fork they include. Cleaning the little grid where veggies get stuck is usually a pain, but that tool made it simple. If you want one device that replaces your grater, slicer, and spiralizer all at once, this is the best all-in-one kit you can buy. Now, if you just want the one everyone is talking about. Product number 4: Fullstar The Original Pro Chopper. We have to talk about the Fullstar Pro Chopper. You've probably seen this on TikTok. When I tested it, I realized why it went viral. You place an onion half on the blade, slam the lid down, and boom, perfect dice in 1 second. It's incredibly satisfying. I noticed the soft grip handle makes it comfortable to press down repeatedly, and the non-skid rubber base kept it from sliding around my counter. It holds about 5 cups, so I could prep lunch for the whole week without emptying it constantly. It's strictly mechanical, so you have to use a bit of force, but for speed dicing vegetables for soups or salads, nothing beats it. If you are into meal prepping and need perfectly uniform squares, this is the one to get. But maybe you hate the slamming noise. Product number 5: Hamilton Beach Electric Chopper. Then check out the Hamilton Beach Electric Chopper. This one solves the biggest annoyance with food processors, the twisting and locking. With this, I just stack the bowl, put the lid on, and press down. That's it. The motor engages when you press the lid. I used it to make a salsa, and it chopped the tomatoes and onions evenly without turning them into mush. It also has this little divot on the lid for pouring in oil while it runs, which was perfect for making homemade salad dressing. It holds 3 cups, so it's slightly bigger than the Cuisinart. If you struggle with assembling complicated gadgets and just want to press and go experience, this is the most user-friendly electric option I found. Overall, if you want speed for big batches, go with the Fullstar or Mueller, but if you want to save your wrists, the Hamilton Beach is a lifesaver. I've linked all 5 down below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.